Alright guys, I'll show you how I'm working with this 4/0 gauge wire. So first off, giving myself a spot to go ahead and strip the wire. Now, to do that, there's a couple different tools you can use, but I found this one actually kind of handy. So it's got a little blade in here, and if you can see that, this blade actually moves around, and that's fine that it does, because what it will do is it will open it up this way as I rotate, and then I'll drag it and I'll actually help remove the sheeting that way. So what I'll do first is I'll just find this, get it lined up with the line. Then what I will do is just spin this around, trying to keep it as straight as I can. And you can look and see where you've already passed through that it's been split. And I just want to make sure that where I'm reconnecting, it's already been cut. That way I have a full cut all the way around. And then I'll take it and I'll slide it off this way. Like that. And then now you have a nice clean end to work with.